Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Uday Kamath with us from Swelect. A very warm welcome to EQ.
Yeah, thank you for having us on this interview and look forward to answering your various queries on Swelect. Yeah.
Okay, sir, can you just let us know a short journey? We all know that Swelect is performing well in the solar industry itself. So, can you just let us, new viewers as well know, what's a short journey of Swelect, how it came into the solar industry?
Yeah, actually our journey begins 41 years ago when our company started as a numeric power systems, a leading company in the UPS and power electronics space. And somewhere down the line we sold off the numeric power electronics business, UPS business to Legrand, France, and then we moved into the solar space exclusively. And we have been in the space for over 15 years in the solar industry. Here we started off with acquiring a solar module plant in Bangalore called HHV Solar. That's part of our portfolio now. And that is now in that factory, now we moved it to Coimbatore, which is a 1 gigawatt factory with over 1 lakh square feet of manufacturing space. And the expansion plan there is that we'll be expanding that line to another 1 gigawatt, 2 gigawatt line in terms of the module manufacturing. We also have a BOS plant in Salem where we have 750 megawatt of installed capacity for module mounting structures and other BOS items like ACDB, DCDB, string combiner box, junction boxes. So if you look at us in the solar space, in terms of products, we're a complete company because very few manufacturers have solar modules and manufacturing of the BOS. So that's a very unique place to be in and a very good place to be in. In terms of business lines, yes, we have a channel business where we sell products to various partners. Then we also do our EPC work. We also do IPP and group captive sales. So if you look at the solutions, we have a 360-degree solution offering to the customer. So he can decide what suits him. We have the product basket to offer him in terms of solutions. In terms of product developments and all that, we have now launching actually the PM Suryagar scheme solar kits, which help all the integrators have a ready-made solution in terms of the panel, inverter, structures, junction boxes. So ready-made kit, which will help meet the government targets of PM Suryagar scheme in a big way by having these kits. Also, we are coming into battery energy storage solutions. By March, we will be having the complete offering of commercial, residential, and utility scale solutions for battery energy storage systems. So if you look at it, we are growing in the right direction with the industry trends and the market demands. We are fully geared up to meet the future.
That's great, sir. So, can you just let us know, what are the parameters we should look upon while going for the modules?
For the modules, yes, the parameters are first you should look at the manufacturing line setup. How is the setup? Is it a fully automated line or is there a lot of manual intervention? What are the number of tests they do? And what is, especially more than anything else, what is the bill of material they're using? Because this is very crucial. Modules physically all look same, but what goes inside is what matters, and that's what gives you the guarantee for the long life, the long performance. So that's what we do. We have over 40 tests we do on each module to ensure that the guarantee we give is available in the field, and that's very important. And the bill of material is very, very critical, again I repeat, because you can have a cost cutting in the bill of material and then after 5 years only it shows up. Any module you buy on day one doesn't have any sort of degradation or a deterioration, so this is very important.
So how Swelect is maintaining the quality and standards to meet the global benchmarks?
Yeah, now to meet the quality and standards, first we do all the tests as per IEC, and we also do extra reliable tests in PVEL laboratory for 3 times the reliability of the solar module. So this is all as per the global standards. So we maintain and we do all the rigorous tests required by the IEC and even beyond, so that when the material goes into the field, the customer is satisfied that it has gone through all the regular tests and beyond. So that's how we try to maintain with the global requirements. And also we also have third-party insurance for our panels from global reinsurers to have peace of mind for the customer. So this is how we try to keep up pace with the trends in the market.
That's That's great, sir. So how do you see the like the costing, pricing, the demand and supply specifically in the solar market itself?
So it's taken 2-3 years for the market to stabilize with the government intentions of being fully independent of the Chinese market. But right now it's still Chinese-driven supply chain. But we are trying to see how we can overcome it by different alternative sources of material and supplies.
Thanks a lot for sharing the information with us. Thank you so much for being with us, sir.
It's our pleasure.
Thank you.